Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Bend your elbows with your right arm vertical and your left arm horizontal and above your head. Slowly drop your right hand. With your hands out to the left, wrap your right hand around your left fist and then bring both hands up near your forehead before pulling them downward. Hop on your right foot and step forward with your left foot while extending both hands, palms up, with your left hand out further. Bend your right knee and lean back while curling your fingers slightly. Do this 2 more times before stepping forward with your right foot and back with your left foot while bringing your right arm up and then down. Step quickly on your right foot, then your left foot, then cross your right foot over your left while bringing both hands upward after twirling them toward you once. With your left hand behind your back, make a large circle going clockwise with your right arm while hopping on your left foot. As you land on your right foot, make a smaller clockwise circle with your right arm while your left foot crosses behind your right foot. Step back into place with your left foot and sweep your left arm from right to left. Now bring your right fist above you and then down and to the left while moving your right foot behind your left foot. Move your right foot back near your left foot and bring your right arm back to your side. Wait for 2 counts and then point up with your right hand. Slowly bring your arm down in front of you while bending your knees in a right, left pattern. This is the move that transitions into the chorus. Step to the left while bringing both arms straight above your head. Extend your right arm straight out and pull your left arm back, elbow bent. Bring your right foot over to meet your left foot and bend your right elbow so that both of your hands are in front of your chest. Plant your right foot and lower your arms. Turn your heels to the right, then left, while moving your hands upward, palms facing the camera. Bring your right foot over to meet your left foot. Make L shapes with both hands and place your right arm in front of your face and your left arm in front of your chest. Keeping your elbows bent and your fingers in position, pull your arms out to either side, creating a box in front of you. Turn your arms as you move your left arm up and your right arm down to keep the box shape. Move your left arm out to the left while turning to the left and then bring your right arm over to join it. Move your arms up and down, starting with the right arm up and the left arm down in 2 sets or a total of 4 times while kicking out with first your left foot, then your right. Step behind your left foot with your right foot and put your left arm behind your back as you sweep your right arm from left to right. Now, bring your arms above your head and to the left. Move them to the right, then the left, going down a bit each time. Bring your right knee up and move your hands a bit to the right twice, while moving your right knee to the left twice. Bring your right foot down in front of your left foot, and put your hands together above your head before bringing them down to either side. Step over to the right with your right foot and cross your arms over your chest before bringing your left foot over to meet your right foot while touching your right shoulder with your right hand and your left shoulder with your left hand. Remove your hands from your shoulders, but keep them up as your left foot steps back to the left. Step towards your left foot with your right foot and bring your left hand up to your head and your right hand down. Step back out to the right with your right foot while bringing your right hand up and your left hand down. And then bring your right hand down while your left hand comes up quickly as you kick back and to the right with your left foot and snap your head to the right. Put your foot down and move your right arm in a wave motion toward the camera. Do the same motion with your left hand while turning your head to the left and dipping it down slightly before facing the camera again. Turn to the right and do the arm movements from earlier in the chorus, starting with your right arm up and your left arm down, and kick out first with your right foot, then your left foot. While facing the camera, step out to the left with your right arm straight out to the right and your left arm horizontal in front of your chest. Bring your right foot over to meet your left foot and bend your elbows so that both of your fists are about level with your head. Repeat this move in the opposite direction. Hop back on your right foot and punch inward with both fists so that your arms cross in front of you. Your arms should be up near your head as you step down with your left foot. As you bring your right foot up to meet your left foot, bring your arms down to your sides. While facing slightly to the right, extend your left arm straight out to the side and bend your right elbow. Step in place with your left foot twice as you do a sort of knocking move with your right fist twice. Curve your hands upward so that they cross in front of your chest, and bring your left foot up. Now curve your hands downward and out, and put your left foot back down. Curve them up in the same way as before, but this time, keep moving them until they're out to either side, and then bring your fists to rest on your hips while you bring your right foot over to meet your left foot. Raise your right shoulder, then step out to the left and lower your right shoulder while raising your left shoulder. Step back in place with your left foot. Step in front of your right foot with your left foot so that you turn to the right and bring your right hand up near your ear. Turn your head to the right as you lower your right hand and bring your left hand up near your ear. Then quickly lower your left hand and bring your right hand back up. Place your right hand behind your back and step behind your right foot with your left foot. Sweep your left arm from right to left until you are facing the left. Step out with your left foot and extend your right arm, placing your left fist under your right elbow. Bend your right elbow and then straighten your arm again. Keeping your arms in position, pivot until you are facing the right. Bring your left foot up to meet your right, and bring your hands together above your head before bringing them down to either side and looking up. Step out with your left foot and then your right foot as you face the camera again and bring both fists up slowly. Step in place with your right foot and extend your right arm diagonally in front of you. Now, step in place with your left foot and extend your left arm diagonally over your right arm. Drop your arms to your sides and look down, then bring your hands up level with your face as you look up. Use the same pose from the end of the first part of part 1. Bring your hands forward, keeping them together, and then separate them to either side, keeping your fingers in position. Repeat the jumping move from part 4, and then repeat part 4.